Next, we're gonna make something that your kids are gonna absolutely love: tofu nuggets. Here's the trick to working with the tofu. You're gonna wanna buy extra firm, cut it open, take it out of its package, and drain off any excess liquid. Wrap it in either some paper towels or a dish towel, and then press it between two plates and put something heavy on top. I usually just use a bunch of cookbooks. Leave that for about a half an hour, and that's gonna help draw out the extra liquid from inside. Next, we're gonna create our little station here. We've got a cup of flour. We're gonna put a cup of plant milk with a tablespoon and a half of apple cider vinegar. You could also use lemon here. What that's gonna do is turn it into kind of a buttermilk consistency. And last but not least, we have our final breading. I've taken bran flakes and I've grinded them up. I've also got a mix of spices in here. I've got nutritional yeast, oregano, paprika, garlic salt, and a little bit of salt. You're gonna take one of your nuggets, put it into the flour, get it nice and coated, dunk it into the milk, into the topping. We're gonna pop these into the oven at 450 degrees for 25 minutes, and we're gonna flip these halfway through. And here are the tofu nuggets. Feel free to use whatever topping you want on these things. I like mustard, ketchup works just fine, whatever you want. Even on their own, they're pretty good. They even got a little bit of a crunch. And then it's just surrounded by this crust of deliciousness. These are the kind of things that go very fast in my house. Who doesn't love a nugget? Go to pbwithj.ca for these recipes and more. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and click that notification bell.